Living in Texas, we've all experienced how extreme our weather has become. Every summer seems hotter than the last summer, and record-breaking heat has made it so that this is our new normal. As the temperature of the earth continues to increase, life on earth is in great danger, including humanity as well. The climate change problem has gone extremely out of hand, and we are reaching two sides of an extreme. We're reaching the very dry heat and the below freezing temperatures for winter. According to Joe Rogelio, a research scientist, he found in his paper that the rise in global average temperature increase is roughly proportional to the total cumulative amount of carbon dioxide emissions that are produced by human activities since the Industrial Revolution. Today, I want to persuade you that climate change is an urgent global crisis and that the US government should increase their investments in renewable energy and strengthen policies that will help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. By doing so, we will be able to reduce and slow down the climate change damage that has been caused by greenhouse gases and in turn be able to slow down the effects of climate change. However, in order to understand why climate change is negatively impacting the environment, having a foundational understanding on what climate change actually is crucial and important. Climate change refers to the long-term changes in the Earth's temperature and weather patterns. While the climate is naturally changing over time, today's rapid heating and warming is primarily caused by human activities such as burning, burning coal, oil, and other gases. These activities end up releasing greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into our atmosphere, and then the atmosphere ends up trapping this heat in. And so when it traps the heat into the atmosphere, it ends up warming the planet. Hence why we're experiencing such harsh weather, including these dry summers that we're experiencing. On top of that, rising temperatures also end up contributing to stronger hurricanes, longer droughts, more intense wildfires, and melting glaciers around the world. In case you didn't hear or know, we're in what's called an El Nino right now, and that is pretty much what that is referring to. Researchers Knotts and Strove, who wrote in a scientific journal called Science, found that Arctic sea ice loss is directly linked to the carbon dioxide emissions. Furthermore, Texas has experienced increasingly intense heat waves that threaten public health, the power grid, and energy costs. According to the Lancet Countdown, an international research collaboration between multiple scientists, they claim that annual heat related deaths are projected to increase by 370% by the mid-century, so 2050. It has become increasingly apparent that climate change has become a strenuous issue and it must be resolved if we wish to continue to live a healthy quality of life and provide one for our future generations as well. The US government has the ability to make a significant difference by investing more into our renewable energy sources like solar energy, wind energy, and hydroelectric power, while strengthening policies that will help us reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Renewable energy produces little to no greenhouse gases during electricity generation, making it much cleaner than burning fossil fuels. Increased government investment can also help build our renewable energy infrastructure, modernizing the electrical grid and making energy more affordable for businesses as well as families. According to ACAM, a research scientist in 2024, in his 2024 study on renewable energy, it was shown that renewable energy sources could result in a precipitous reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Furthermore, technological advances have dramatically reduced the costs of this new type of electricity. Increasing investments in renewable energy often benefits a wide variety of individuals and also reduces emissions. Cleaner energy means that we will have cleaner air, which in turn will also lower rates of health risks such as asthma, heart disease, and this is done through cleaner air quality. Another scientist, Rockstrom, states that a rapid transition to a zero carbon energy system is both necessary and feasible for us to continue to survive. Perhaps more importantly, reducing greenhouse gas emissions helps preserve our ecosystems, protect endangered species like the polar bears, and leave a healthier planet for future generations. The choices that we make today will shape the future of our planet. We have the technology, the knowledge, and the ability to act in a meaningful process. What we need now is the commitment to act towards these goals. Thank you.